Manuel Leaso, and one of my favorite Samoan expressions of all time is e ui lava inga. The main word here is ui, or even though. It also means like although and words like that. So you're probably wondering, well, what's all the other stuff around the ui? Well, the e or the e is the tense marker. Look up the tense marker lesson if you don't know what those are. Then the ui is although or even though. Then lava is used for emphasis. The ina is used to introduce a new statement. So since the lava is used for emphasis, you could technically just leave that out and then just say e ui ina. Besides the ina introducing new statements, it's one of the easier phrases because it's used in Samoan sentences just like in English. For example, even though the man works, they are still poor. E ui lava inga o lo'o yaise whai ngā luenga e le kama, e matitiva pea ia I lako. So, even though, then ina introduces a new statement, which you can tell by the tense marker o lo'o, and then the rest of the sentence. Or how about this popular song? That's your word of the day. Whakataitene lava mo le awanoa, Manuel Leaso.